Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall the KB5060829 update on Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. If this update is causing issues or you just want to roll it back, follow along. First, click on your Start menu and open Settings. Once you're inside Settings, go to the Windows Update section on the left sidebar. In the Windows Update window, click on Update History. Now, scroll all the way down and select Uninstall Updates at the bottom. Find the update labeled KB5060829 in the list. Click on it, then press Uninstall. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Uninstall again. Once the uninstall process is complete, go ahead and restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it. The KB5060829 update has now been removed from your system. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.